Hello everyone. Today we shall show you a dynamo or a generator. Now you see, this is a dynamo or a generator and it can produce electric current. Whenever this is a wheel, you see this is a wheel, right? The wheel is coupling with a circular wheel, and when it rotates, you see when it rotates, the armature is revolving. The armature is rotating in a magnetic field, and when the magnetic lines of force are cut, then electric current is produced. Here you see we have found here got a LED bulb, and you see whenever we turn this wheel, LED will glow, right? You see the LED is glowing. That means whenever we are rotating this wheel, electric current is produced, and that's why the LED is glowing, right? This is a dynamo or generator. The dynamo or generator principle is that mechanical energy is changing into electrical energy, right? That means when we revolve this wheel, that means in a turbine system, in a turbine, water will fall in this blade and it will turn, and water will again fall in this blade, it will turn. In this way, this is rotating, and when an armature is rotating in a magnetic field, it will cut magnetic lines of force, and whenever there is a change in magnetic lines of force, there is a producing current, and current will flow in this LED. You see here, LED will glow. In this way, turbine works, right? This is setup of turbine or generator, or you can say it as a dynamo also, right? And when water falls on this blade, it will rotate, and whenever it is rotated, it is coupling with this circular wheel. It will rotate an armature, and when an armature is rotating within a magnetic field, it will cut the magnetic lines of force and it will produce electric current. That is the principle of a dynamo or generator. You see, whenever we are rotating this wheel, it is producing electric current, and this makes the LED to glow. You can make this project of your own, but you need some objects. That is, you need all these elements to make this model. You can make this model very easily, but you need some of the elements you need to make this model dynamo or generator. Right, in this way, a model or dynamo is dynamo works, right? Dear friends, if you like this model, you can make this model easily. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. You can also make this model easily. It is a turbine, dynamo or generator. Thank you everybody for watching this video.